it's Stacy from C3 Controls, and today we'll be going over the installation of our tower lights. Let's get started. Let's start with installing our direct mount base. First, drill your mounting hole. Align your gasket with the hole, then drop the base assembly and secure with the flanged hex nut. Our second type of base is the standard short or tall base. First, drill your mounting holes. Align the gasket and base with the mounting holes, then secure them with the mounting screws, washers, and nuts. Electrical installation is simple. Insert the wire through the center hole of the base. Terminals correlate with module positions, 0 being the common or negative depending on the AC or DC supply. Install the wires into the terminations for the tower light and tighten the terminal screws. Place the O-ring and terminal cover over the terminations, aligning the indicating lines. Install the 2 assembly screws and tighten. Install modules by aligning the indicator line on the module with the indicator line on the terminal cover or with the line on the top of the lower module. Rotate 25 degrees clockwise to seal. Repeat for additional modules up to 5. If installing a sound module, it must be in the topmost position. Install the light module cap by aligning the indicator line on the cap with the indicator line on the top of the light module. Mount the cap onto the light module and rotate 25 degrees clockwise to seal. If a vertical mount is not needed for your application, you're finished. If you need to install a vertical mount, drill your mounting holes. Align your mount panel gasket and vertical mount accessory. Secure with 2 screws, washers, and nuts. Align the base gasket and the light assembly to the vertical mount accessory. Finally, secure with 4 mounting screws and nuts. For additional videos, tips, and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel or go to our website. Thanks, and have a great day.